In this module, we're talking about video editing tools, and I'm showing you some that you can do on your phone. I like to keep things simple. If you're going to take the videos with your phone, you're not going to edit all of them on your phone, but you can do some quick edits. First, I want to go back though, and I want to talk about where you get your apps from. I'm on an Android. We'll show you what it looks like on an iPhone also. I'm in the Play Store. If I'm looking for a video editing app, I'm just going to type it in. Sometimes I'll use Google. Sometimes it's recommended by other people on other networks. But I come in here and I start looking for some of the apps. And really, at first, you find the ones that are most used, right? So YouCut, I already have, but if we look right here, we can see that it has 100 million downloads. That's a lot of downloads, and out of 4 million reviews, it's still at a 4.9. That's really good. The Vimeo Create, so Vimeo we use quite a bit, only has 5 million downloads. I'm probably not going to use that one. This is InShot. I have this one. We'll be going over it. Again, 100 million downloads, and it's got it has 13 million and 4.8. That is really, really good. CapCut is another one we'll be going over. CapCut also has 100 million, and it has a 4.3 with 3 million reviews. So the two winners are really YouCut and InShot for Android. Okay, so that's part of how I do it. I also will be going over KindMaster. For me on KindMaster, 100 million downloads, 4.2 from 4 million reviews. This VN is something we were just looking at, 50 million downloads, 4.7 out of 100 with a million reviews. So if somebody recommends one, I might download it and try it, but this is the first place that I start. Now, after I install it, and all you do is hit that little green button and you hit install, then I need to organize it on my phone.